Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make deviled egg sauce. First, carefully separate the yolks from 6 hard-boiled eggs. Place these yolks into a medium-sized bowl. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of your favorite mayonnaise and add it to the yolks. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Now, it's time to combine everything for that perfect creamy texture. Use a fork to thoroughly mash the hard-boiled egg yolks until they are completely smooth, with no large lumps remaining. This step is crucial for a silky sauce. Then, gently fold in the mayonnaise and Dijon mustard. Continue mixing until the mixture is well combined and has a consistent, creamy appearance. This is where you can truly make the sauce your own. Taste a small amount of the mixture and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a bit more salt, pepper, or even a touch more Dijon mustard for extra zing. For a subtle tang, consider adding a few drops of pickle juice. Mix well after each addition to ensure the flavors are perfectly balanced. Once your deviled egg sauce is perfectly seasoned, it's time to fill those egg white halves. You can use a spoon for a rustic look or a piping bag for a more refined presentation. Garnish with a light dusting of paprika or some freshly chopped chives for a pop of color and extra flavor. Remember to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Enjoy your delicious homemade deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.